That $12 sandwich you just bought? You didn't just spend $12, you spent $180,000, and you're doing it again tomorrow. By the end of this video, you'll never look at buying lunch the same way again. This is the wealth killer hiding in plain sight. Meet Marcus. He's 28, makes $65,000 a year, and can't figure out why he's always broke. He doesn't have expensive habits. No luxury car, no designer clothes, just a normal guy living a normal life. But every workday, he does one thing. He buys lunch. Sometimes it's Chipotle for $13. Sometimes it's a deli sandwich for $11. On Fridays, he splurges at the local spot for $18. He figures it averages out to $12 a day. It's just lunch, he tells himself. I work hard. I deserve to eat well. Marcus just locked himself out of financial freedom, and he has no idea. Here's what Marcus is actually spending. $12 a day, 5 days a week, 50 weeks a year. Let's give him 2 weeks vacation. That's $3,000 a year, just on lunch. Okay, $3,000 isn't that bad, you're thinking. Wrong, because you're not thinking like a wealthy person. If Marcus took that same $3,000 every year and invested it in a basic index fund at 10% average annual return, in 40 years, he'd have $1.3 million. Let me say that again, $1.3 million. But it gets worse, because Marcus isn't just buying lunch, he's also buying breakfast coffee at $5, which is another $1,250 a year. And he orders dinner delivery twice a week at $25 each. That's another $2,600 annually. Total food spending beyond groceries? $6,850 a year? Invested over 40 years? That's $3 million. Marcus is eating his retirement. Meanwhile, his coworker Lisa brings lunch from home. Costs are $3 in ingredients, takes 10 minutes to prep the night before. She invests the $9 daily difference. In 40 years, Marcus will still be working, wondering where his money went. Lisa will be retired on a beach, financially free. Same job, same salary, different lunch decision, completely different life. The crazy part? Lisa eats better. She controls ingredients, portions, and quality. Marcus is paying premium prices for mediocre food that's loaded with sodium and made by someone who doesn't care about his health. Here's the trap. Buying lunch feels like a small decision. Your brain categorizes it as basic needs, not spending. So you don't feel guilty. You don't track it. You don't even think about it. Companies know this. That's why lunch spots are everywhere. They've made it convenient to stay broke. Walk outside, swipe a card, done. Easier than meal prep, right? But convenience is expensive. And when you multiply convenient by 10,000 times over your career, you get poverty in retirement. The wealthy don't fall for this. They understand that wealth isn't built by big wins. It's built by small decisions repeated thousands of times. Every dollar you don't waste is a dollar that works for you forever. Here's your challenge. For 1 month, bring lunch from home 4 days a week. Keep buying lunch on Fridays if you want the social aspect. That's cutting 80% of the cost. Take the money you save each week and immediately transfer it to an investment account. Don't wait until the end of the month. Make it automatic. Make it immediate. Track it. Watch your investment account grow while your coworkers complain about being broke. In 1 year, you'll have saved $2,400 and you'll actually notice the difference. In 40 years, you'll have over $1 million and a life others will envy. You can keep buying lunch and stay broke forever, or you can brown bag it and retire a millionaire. The choice is literally that simple. If this opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. Next week, I'm breaking down the coffee trap and why your morning Starbucks is even worse. You're not going to like what I have to say.